DS Dan. I am back with another video for you guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 black canvases on deck. About to give you guys a detail review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos like these. This is definitely a shoe that's great for going back to school. Colorway's dope, you know, black Jordan 4, you can't beat it. The materials on the shoe, we'll get to it. I'll show you guys what they look like, so if you guys want to pick these up, you can. And yeah, let's just jump straight into this review. Start off with the box. Take a look. We got an all black Jordan 4 box. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colorway is black, steel gray, white. All right. Inside the box, you got that regular paper that comes, that tie-dye effect. It's kind of like those tie-dye 4s. We're going to start off with the outsole. Take a look at the outsole. You got a gray, red, black, white, red Jumpman. Not too much to talk about because it's all black shoes. When you get to the front of the toe box, you can see the canvas on the shoe is pretty good. Also on the front of the toe, we do got like a suede material that goes in the front of the toe. Feels like a little suede to me. All right, you guys can see. Black laces going up on the tongue. You do got the Jumpman with the flight in red, black or black tongue in canvas. Over here on the side of the shoe, you can see we got gray on the midsole following with the white and the black. Now the upper is in the canvas. You got it's a pretty good canvas. It's not like no stiff canvas, you know what I'm saying? Black netting, the wing with your honeycomb eyelids. Take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Black on the midsole with the gray, the wing in black, your netting in black, gray Jumpman in the back with the black pull tab. Craftsmanship is pretty bad, got glue all over. You know, so be careful what pairs you get. Behind the tongue, you got your Air Jordan upside down in the red. I like that red. When you get to the inside of the shoe, black inner sole, red Jumpman. Pretty dope, man. These are clean, man. Definitely a shoe if you just want to wear all the time to beat up. You know what I'm saying? I think they're nice. Quick review. Don't come with any extra set of laces. Just a Jordan 4 all black. So I'm going to show you guys a quick on feet, man. You let me know what you guys think about these bad boys. You copping, you passing. The Air Jordan 4 black canvases. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. I was able to get these from overseas. They released overseas, so I was able to get a pair, but yeah. And yeah, we're about to get into this on feet. I'm gonna show you guys how they looking. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Thank you all for your support, man. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy DS Dan.